Hi guys, this is a Milwaukee rotary hammer SD Max, and the problem with it is that stopped working out of nowhere. I already checked the carbons down here and they are okay. So what I think it is, inside has a coil and might be full of dust or dirt. So we have to take it apart. Here are 4 screws. Here at the bottom there are 2 more, and inside has 4 more screws, long ones. So you have to take them, all of them, and then take all this part out, and then you can see the coil inside. So let's see. You have to clean all the spaces with a plate. You can do it. After you clean the spaces between with the sandpaper, you have to clean all the dust made from the carbons. Here's how it looks after you clean, nice and shiny. Here is the bottom of the hammer where the bobine goes, so you have to make sure you clean it. You clean all the dust. Here you can see the carbons are okay, so that wasn't the reason for the hammer to stop working. They're still in good shape. Carbons goes in here and here. Now this is the bottom covers. It only have 2 screws, one here, one here, and from the handle there is 4 screws here, here, and there. So you have to do, take out all the screws and put it back. Then at the end, here is working.